So you can basically just type in one word in this box, click save, click make, and you will be paid $25 to $30. You can do it again and again and make money every single day from anywhere in the world, but you must set this up properly, and I will explain you exactly how to do it in this video. Signing up to this website is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money up front, and you don't need any super writing skills. I mean, you can even just copy and paste that one word if you don't want to type it yourself. So before I show you exactly how this works, don't forget to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up if you love making money online, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on, and I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it, and that way, of course, make the most money. Okay, so this is the main platform which we will be using. This is the website where you will come and create simple videos with one single word. So you can type in one single word, and this website will create professional, high-quality videos for you, and I'm gonna show you how you can actually get paid $25 to $30 per each video you create. So as you can see, the easiest way to make awesome videos, and don't worry, you do not need to be a professional editor to do this. You do not need any editing skills for this. You do not need a camera. You will not have to film anything, and you will not have to show your face. You just need to type in one single word, and you can repeat it again and again, and I will show you exactly how it works and how to get paid. Choose your favorite video template, fully customize it online, and watch them generate your video instantly. So you don't have to wait around, which means you can start making money today. It can't get any easier than this, obviously. It's just one single word, and you can repeat it all over again. Now this is already motionden.com. This website, this platform, this tool is called MotionDen, but don't go straight to the website because you will not know how to use it properly to actually make money just by typing one single word. So rather than that, follow each and every step from this video, and by the end you will know exactly what to do and exactly how to make money. So first of all, once you come over to motionden.com, I want you to click on the Get Started button right here so you can sign up. You can do so by either connecting your Facebook or Google account, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button, but if you don't want to do so, you can just sign up with your email address and manually enter your details. Now, I also recommend you untick this box if you don't want to subscribe to their email list, which can sometimes be really boring, so I oftentimes don't really like to subscribe to those type of newsletters, so I would untick this box. After that, you can easily sign up in less than 60 seconds. Once you sign up to motionden.com, it's gonna allow you to browse all of these different templates which you can use to create professional looking videos in less than 60 seconds and just by entering one single word. So here on the left hand side, you can see that you can generate all of these type of videos in all of the different categories. You can create ads, animated videos, you can create videos for businesses, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, food and restaurant videos, gaming, infographics, videos for Instagram, YouTube, intros, outros, and so on and so forth. And you have all of these different templates which you can browse, and they're highly professional. They're 3D high quality templates which you can easily use, and I will explain you exactly how. Now there is one specific service which we will be focusing on that is going to allow you to make $25 to $30 for a single word you type. So what I want you to do is I want you to focus on either intros or outros. So forget about all of these different categories. For now, you want to focus only on intros and outros because that's the easiest one, and that is the one that will allow you to make $30 or more for a single word. So let's select intro templates, and that's gonna give you some of them which you can use. Let's browse and let's find something that's really interesting. I will, for example, use this one just to show you how this actually works. So I will click on it, and to customize it, I just need to click on edit this video. So now once I come over to this page, all I have to do is click on this box, and I can type in that one word in this box, and I will show you what's gonna determine what the word is gonna be. But let's say the word in this case is investor. I can just type in investor, click save, click make video, and that's it. Now they will instantly generate that video for me, and I'm gonna show you how you can sell those type of videos for $25 to $30 again and again. And I'm also gonna show you proof that it actually works, because people are already making money every single day with this same strategy. So if I continue to dashboard, you will be able to see that my video is now rendering. I just need to wait for like 2 minutes and they will have it created for me. As you saw, that took only one single word to type in the box, and now I have a ready, fully created for me high quality intro from which I can make money. So let's repeat that same process once again. You go over to templates, you go either to intros or outros. Let's go to intros first. You find some template which you really like. Let's say, for example, you want to use this one or this one. Let's try out with this one. I really like it. So you just open it up, you click edit this video, that takes you to the editing page. You can even add a logo if you want to. If not, just go straight to the text page, click on the text box, type in that one single word, click save, click make video, and that's it. That's all you have to do, and now you can make money from an additional platforms which I'm about to share with you. So first of all, you can start using Quick and Gigs. This is already quickandgigs.com. This is a really similar platform to Fiverr, and if you don't know already, Quick and Gigs is a freelancing website where millions of everyday people come to sell their services every single day. So you have everyday people like me and you providing different services for other entrepreneurs and business owners. You can see that they've partnered up with some massive companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity. And this is only one of many different freelancing websites which you can use. But the reason I'm sharing Quick and Gigs rather than Fiverr is because this is not a competitive website as Fiverr. On Fiverr, you have hundreds of thousands of people providing one and same service, but on here there are not many people providing those services, but the demand is pretty high. There's a lot of buyers, but there are not many sellers, which means it's perfect for complete beginners. It means you can instantly join this website and potentially get loads of sales without being an established seller. And if you search for intros and outros on this website, you will be able to see that people are providing these type of services. There are not many people providing this service, but the ones that are providing these service intros and outros are already making money. As you can see, Cool 3D YouTube intros for $30, and he got over 5 sales. He has 5 feedbacks, and you know that not every single person will leave a feedback, so he probably got more than 5 sales at a price of $30. And for you, that's gonna take you just one single word to type in with motion then, and you can sell it on Quick and Gigs. For example, this person is selling their service for $25, they got 1 feedback. This person is selling it for $40, this one for $29, and so on and so forth. And once again, this is only one single platform where you can provide this service and sell intros and outros. You can also use websites like People Per Hour. In here, if you type in intro, you will be able to see more people providing the service, 182 to be precise, and they're all making sales. They're all making hundreds, if not thousands of sales. For example, this person got over 1,000 feedbacks, which means they've got over 1,000 sales for this intro service. You can even use Fiverr if you want to maximize your results. I mean, it costs you nothing to publish that gig, and if you get some sales, great. If not, it's okay. You can still use other freelancing websites. So Fiverr does have a massive potential. You can see that people are selling those type of services for more money, like $35 or $45. It's starting at $45, so they have even higher packages, and they're getting hundreds, in some cases thousands of sales. So it does have a massive potential, but the competition is really high on Fiverr, so I definitely recommend you try out the different freelancing websites. Don't focus only on one. And once you get a sale, it takes you only one word to type in this box, so they will give you which word they want you to put inside of this box. You click save, you click make video, and you click continue to dashboard. You wait until that loads, and as you can see, you will be able to download it to your computer. Now, to download it without this watermark, you would need to pay like around $9, I think so. It's $9 per video, but if you sell it for $35 or $40, then you are still in high profits, and you don't have to invest any money up front. You can wait until you get a sale on those freelancing websites and then use that money to pay $9 to motion done. So for $9 you get a video done. It takes you less than 60 seconds to make over $30, and you can do it again again and again. And once you start making more and more sales and you see that you're already making some decent amount of monthly income, you can just invest like $29 a month for this unlimited plan, which is allow you to sell unlimited amount of videos. So you can maybe sell 100 videos a month and only pay $29 for Motion Den to do all of the hard work for you. So definitely you can leverage Motion Den and its templates to make professional videos just by typing one single word in a box, and then provide that service on other freelancing websites like freelancer.com, truelancer.com, fiverr.com, guru.com, peopleperhour.com, quickandgigs.com, and so on and so forth. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.